Samsung MovingStyle represents a new era of fluid digital living, where every interaction across the Samsung ecosystem becomes smooth, elegant, and intelligently connected. Built for users who desire efficiency blended with style, MovingStyle transforms ordinary multitasking into a beautifully coordinated digital dance. Whether switching from a smartphone to a tablet, transferring work from a PC to a foldable device, or controlling a smart home environment with a single gesture, every motion feels natural and refined. Samsung designed this model to remove friction and increase comfort, ensuring technology works around your lifestyle with precision rather than demanding constant adjustments. MovingStyle highlights clean animations, seamless device handoffs, adaptive intelligence, and consistent design language that elevates user satisfaction. It creates a digital environment where transitions flow effortlessly, creativity moves without interruption, and productivity expands with intuitive guidance. By combining high-end engineering with adaptive AI, Samsung aims to shape an experience that feels alive, responsive, and deeply connected to every moment of your day. MovingStyle is more than a feature, it's a philosophy of smoothness designed for the modern world. The philosophy behind MovingStyle. Samsung MovingStyle is rooted in the belief that technology should feel invisible yet powerful, blending quietly into your day while delivering unmatched performance. It removes the resistance found in traditional interfaces and replaces it with a sense of natural movement. Every swipe, tap, and transition feels intentional and thoughtfully shaped. Instead of overwhelming users with complexity, MovingStyle simplifies the digital environment until it feels like an extension of your own rhythm. Samsung's engineers focused on eliminating delays, reducing digital noise, and creating a consistent operational flow across all devices. This philosophy ensures that no matter what you do, work, entertainment, communication, or creativity, the experience feels fluid, balanced, and uninterrupted. MovingStyle stands as a commitment to ease, grace, and near-effortless interaction for every user. Seamless multi-device connectivity. Samsung MovingStyle excels in unifying smartphones, tablets, watches, laptops, earbuds, and smart home systems into one uninterrupted ecosystem. You can start writing an email on your phone and continue it on your tablet without a single tap, or switch music from your earbuds to your TV without breaking the listening experience. File sharing becomes instant, app handoff feels automatic, and device linking occurs with almost zero friction. MovingStyle's core strength lies in its ability to treat all devices as one continuous workspace, giving users the freedom to shift tasks naturally as their environment changes. This seamless connectivity creates a responsive digital world where movement between devices mirrors the ease of moving between thoughts. Adaptive intelligence and predictive flow. At the heart of MovingStyle is Samsung's Adaptive Intelligence System, an AI that studies your habits and predicts your next move with impressive accuracy. If you regularly open your notes after a call, MovingStyle prepares the app ahead of time. If you often switch from camera to gallery, it speeds up that transition. This predictive guidance allows tasks to occur before you even realize you need them, creating an extraordinary sense of responsiveness. Instead of forcing users to navigate menus repeatedly, the system anticipates patterns and streamlines actions automatically. This results in smoother workflows, shorter delays, and a sense of technology that understands your intentions. Motion-optimized user interface. The MovingStyle interface enhances user experience with precise animations, smooth scrolling, soft transitions, and layouts designed for visual calmness. Buttons react delicately, menus expand gently, and screens glide instead of popping abruptly. This motion-optimized interface reduces eye fatigue, enhances clarity, and gives every interaction a luxurious feel. It demonstrates Samsung's commitment to visual harmony and emotional comfort, turning daily navigation into a pleasing routine. By strengthening coherence across devices, the UI makes users feel at home regardless of screen size or device type, reinforcing consistency throughout the ecosystem. Productivity without interruption. Samsung MovingStyle ensures that productivity flows without barriers or breakpoints. Whether you're editing documents, managing multiple windows, conducting video calls, or dragging items between apps, the system keeps everything stable and fluid. The experience becomes even smoother on foldable devices, where split-screen navigation and multi-window management shine through MovingStyle's refinement. Instead of forcing users to think about how to multitask, Samsung ensures the process feels instinctive and continuous. This creates a working environment where you can stay focused, switch tasks instantly, and maintain momentum throughout the day. Creativity enhanced through flow. For digital creators, MovingStyle becomes an essential tool that removes interruptions and encourages expressive freedom. Whether sketching on a tablet, shooting high-resolution videos on a smartphone, or editing footage on a laptop, the transitions between apps and devices feel effortless. Samsung recognizes that creativity thrives when users aren't slowed down by loading times or rigid interfaces. MovingStyle minimizes friction and allows artists, editors, and designers to stay immersed in their craft. The ecosystem adapts to the way you create, allowing inspiration to move with you wherever you go. Smart homes with natural motion. MovingStyle extends beyond personal devices into smart home automation. Users can control lights, security, appliances, climate, and entertainment effortlessly through coordinated systems that respond immediately. Instead of navigating complicated menus, you can manage everything through intuitive controls that flow from one environment to another. Rooms adapt smoothly to your presence, entertainment setups adjust seamlessly, and connected appliances respond with natural timing. This transforms home management into a graceful, nearly invisible background motion that improves comfort and efficiency. Samsung MovingStyle captures the essence of a truly connected lifestyle by merging intelligence, beauty, and motion into one seamless experience. It simplifies daily life, elevates digital flow, and brings every device into perfect alignment with the user's rhythm. From productivity to creativity, from multitasking to smart living, MovingStyle stands as a promise of technology that feels effortless, responsive, and stylish. As Samsung continues shaping the next generation of digital ecosystems, MovingStyle will remain the guiding force, transforming every moment into a graceful, connected experience.